Hello there, and welcome to a presentation as part of the Microsoft Power BI Showcase by IPL, a Civica Group company. The aim of this video is to show off some key functionality and features of Power BI and to try to provide an insight into how it can be used to help visualize the data easily, which helps to inform decision making within an organization. For this video, we have taken public data on road traffic collisions that is published by the Department for Transport, and then adopted the role of a local government analyst who is putting together a report for councillors and policymakers which would show trends in accident numbers over time, when accidents are happening and where. Let's start by looking at the trends over time and when accidents are likely to happen in a day. Firstly, we can see that the overall numbers of accidents is decreasing over time. This is a positive sign, but let's dig a little deeper and see if there are any areas where this isn't the case. These three charts show when accidents are occurring throughout a day. The white line shows the overall picture, and there are, as we might expect, there are peaks in the morning and in the evening which coincide with the rush hours. More interestingly though, we are able to combine this with a breakdown of how severe accidents are during these times. We see a greater percentage of fatal accidents during the night, which again might be expected. But of note is the fact that in the evening rush hour leads to noticeably more fatalities as a percentage than the morning rush hour. This is an area which may require deeper analysis to determine the reason behind this. In addition, we are able to see two further breakdowns of when accidents happen in a day. The first is by age group of casualty. We see that for children under 16, the afternoon peak is much earlier than it would be for adults. We can also look at how the day of the week affects timings. This gives us an opportunity to see Power BI's filtering in action. By clicking on this chart, we can highlight just the accidents on Friday and see that the afternoon peak is earlier than if we were to go look at Thursday. We can also see that Monday has very little of an afternoon peak, and so the day of the week is an important component in the timing of the accidents. It's also worth noting that selections in these charts can affect the presentation of the visuals of these charts over here. We can see how one selection can be cascaded through a report. On the second page of our report, we look at where accidents are happening. This allows us to see Power BI's excellent mapping functionality. Here we have all accidents plotted on a map and color-coded by severity. As there are a lot of data points, this is a bit hard to see what's going on. So let's investigate a particular road. Let's say that there have been a number of questions raised about a potential accident black spot on the road. In this case, the A46. Let's see if this is supported by the evidence. By selecting the A46 here, we can see where on the road the accidents are occurring. Immediately we notice that in contrary to the rest of the local area, the numbers of accidents is increasing on this road. By zooming in, we're able to see that there is a collection of accidents around a specific corner. And this is the one that we were investigating, so it appears that there may be action required to help improve safety in this area. We can remove the filter on the road now, and instead look at just at the accidents with different levels of severity. We can see that the number of minor accidents is still decreasing, but in contrast, the number of serious accidents has actually increased over time. The same is true for fatal accidents. So perhaps this is an indication that more is needed to reduce the more major traffic collisions. Finally, we have brought in some socio-demographic data, in this case deprivation metrics, and combined it with the main data set to build up a more complete picture. This sort of combination is very easy to achieve using Power BI. Hopefully by now you're able to see just how easy it is to see your data using Power BI, and can see how it might benefit your organization by allowing you to share findings easily, gain fresh insights, and work towards making evidence-based decision making throughout your organization. If you would like to know more or speak to someone about how IPL can help you with Power BI, then please visit our website at www.ipl.com and get in touch. Many thanks and goodbye.